Alright, this is Donnie with WDL Systems, and we're here with a special edition of our vidcast. We have Kieran from VIA Embedded, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the company. Go ahead, Kieran.
Hi, well, I'd like to introduce our x86 embedded processors. VIA has historically been known for our C7. Since then, we've introduced our Nano, which is a 3000E, is our latest embedded offering with 7 years support. And later on this year, we'll have samples of our dual core. We've also been well known for our chipsets, our embedded chipsets. We have our VX900 that is doing the latest 1080p video decoding. We've also got some solutions from S3 Graphics, our sister company, and we're also going to introduce some of our latest embedded ARM platforms. Later on, we'll also see some embedded systems, some very nice small form factor systems based upon our Pico motherboard, and then we also have a wide variety of different platforms that also are embedded. Our Mini ITX that we brought out 6 or 7 years ago, half the size again to our Nano, and halved it again to our Pico, which is 10 by 7.2 centimeters. We also have an embedded ITX, and we'll be doing COM Express and Q7 later next year.
All right, that's great, Kieran. Can you tell me a little bit about the Nano E processor and the different speeds that it's offered at, and the fanless option?
The Nano 3000E processor is our latest embedded single-core x86 processor. It has a 800 megahertz fanless version and goes up to 1.6 gigahertz. It is a 64-bit superscalar, out-of-order architecture embedded processor. So in that, we plan to put that into our systems. We have some panel PCs. We have a 6.5, a 10-inch, and a 15-inch model. We'll be bringing out a 12-inch with some a 500 nit brightness later next year. We've also got our Amos 3001, which is a very nice small form factor embedded system that has DC in. It also does 1080p video, got a variety of choices. And then we also have our ARC line, where you can actually put an embedded EITX motherboard and also put a carrier board on top of that with a variety of options. And there's another example of an ARC 5450 that's especially for vehicle and fleet management.
Fantastic. Let's take a closer look at the IPEA P830 Pico ITX.
The P830 is the 100 by 72 millimeters or 10 by 7.2 centimeters. It has our latest VX900 chipset and our Nano 1.2 gigahertz processor. It has support for up to 7 USB connections and 2 SATA. That supports the latest DDR3 memory and has a 1 SODIMM socket for up to 4 gigabytes of memory. It also has a proprietary connector on here that you can do a variety of mezzanine boards with a lot of different I/O options.
Great.